Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a bastion in Minecraft Bedrock. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you just want to leave the world that you're on and find which world it is and just go to the edit bar next to it. Then just want to scroll down until you find seed. Now make sure you write down the seed correctly and take note of it. We're going to be using it in a second. After that's done, you want to head to this website called chunkbase.com and click apps. You're then going to scroll down to seed map and you want to paste it in your seed here that you just wrote down. And also select what version you're on. In my case, it's Bedrock 1.2, but Java can do this also. Since we're looking for Bastion, you want to select the never in dimension and click this drop down and deselect all. From there, just want to select only the Bastion, so that's all we see. So if you're near the spawn point, it's going to be 0, 0. However, if you've already got some sort of base or something out there, just take notice of them coordinates and put them in here and select go. This red dot will show you exactly where coordinates are the spawn point compared to where the bastions actually are, so you know how far you actually have to travel to find it. So what's cool about this, you can see exactly what sort of bastion it is. So if you're looking for a treasure room, for example, you click on here and we make note of these coordinates, as this is the closest one to it. So you then want to reopen your Minecraft world and you want to make sure your coordinates are enabled. So it's a lot easier to find out, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to teleport so it saves a bit of time. And what I teleport here, it should put us exactly on top of a bastion, as you can see here. So hopefully this save you guys a lot of time. It can be a bit boring running around looking for structures like this. So I personally prefer using a website like this just to make life a lot easier. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.